welcome to another episode of Technic Force Learning. I'm Kate, and today we're going to learn how to get more visitors, how to find more leads, and more customers through Reddit, no matter what your niche is. Reddit is one of the most popular websites on the internet, and you can find pretty much anything there. But if you're not familiar with it, Reddit can seem like a confusing mess of jargon, symbol, and sorts of weird content. Reddit is basically a large group of forums in which registered users can talk about almost anything you can imagine, from news to pop culture to technology to comics to film to literature. At its core, Reddit is made up of a bunch of subreddits on just about every category and topic you can imagine. When you first get started with Reddit, you can register an account without having to verify your email. It's a good idea to go ahead and verify it through, since as you comment and post links, you'll build up karma. Karma reflects your standing in the community based on comments you've made or links you've submitted, although it won't help ratchet your post up any higher than someone who just joined. It is, however, a good indicator of your status among your fellow Redditors, and people do look at it. If you're just looking at Reddit for the first time, you may be a bit confused by what you're seeing. So here's a quick rundown. The homepage or front page shows you various posts that are currently trending on the site, pulled from a variety of subreddits. You can click the sort button in the upper left to sort by posts that are hot or trending, new, controversial, and more. Redditors love things that are unique, funny, interesting, cute, and courageous. Reddit's popularity can be directly traced to this free and open sharing site. They can easily spend hours on the site, and they're always looking for something to click on. That being said though, because of the potential for sites that trick users into clicking short links, URL shorteners generally go nowhere with Reddit users. If you're going to post a link, go ahead and post the whole exact thing. This isn't Twitter, so you aren't restricted by the number of characters. Overall, the best way to get the most out of Reddit is to interact with it. Post incredible photos, videos, ask for help or suggestions, and be prepared for answers you might not have expected. Upvote relevant comments by pressing the orange arrow beside each comment or post, and leave your own comments. Upvoting is what really helps your content get to the top of the heap. It's the same as other social networking features in that the more you have, the higher your post will go and possibly make it to the front page. If your website content tends to be more progressive, unique, curious, or simply eye candy, there's a strong chance it will do well on Reddit. All social media sharing sites have their own underlying pulse, and if you can tap into that by posting relevant content, you'll be rewarded with a massive boost in traffic. Remember that here, people are actively looking for something that piques their interest. Tailor your post to meet that urge head on, and you'll start reaping heaps of traffic. Many business owners unfortunately dismiss Reddit as being the red-headed stepchild of the social media world. But if you're targeting certain niches, aren't afraid of criticism, and want to reach trendsetters, there's no better place than Reddit.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.